Hey Seth, thanks for being on today. So my question relates to creating a sense of urgency around signing up for GLC. If you're not going in person, it is a free virtual event for members. So why register now instead of waiting to the last minute?
Right. So this, again, back to creating the conditions, and this is a great question, and I'm happy to come back to the GLC thing. The magic of virtual events is you get to invent the context and the structure. So invent some things that are better for the first come, first serve people. Invent some things with rankings and serial numbers. Invent some things where the sooner you sign up, the more you get. Invent some things where we're keeping track of the family tree, who signed up when and who signed up because of them and who signed up because of them. That structuring these things subtly so that it's clear to people that something better happens if I sign up today than tomorrow makes it more likely that they'll sign up today than tomorrow. Please remember that everyone on this call had a chance to buy Bitcoin when it was $10. And nobody on this call bought Bitcoin when it was $10. Why not? Because in your head, it's, well, knowing my luck, it'll go down to 5. Okay. And so first come, first serve only works if there's scarcity and a perception that it's going to go up in value. So you need to build those sorts of things, and digitally, it's so much easier to do it, right? So I'm assuming you have some people speaking, not as good as me, but some. Why not say the first 15 people who sign up get to come to the private Q&A afterwards? You just created a new kind of scarcity. It's legit, and it works better because there aren't a lot of people there, because it makes it much more likely you'll get a chance to have a photo taken or whatever it is. So go through some cycles to create digital scarcity that has a benefit that isn't manipulation, and then offer it to people who like going first. And the people who don't like going first are never going to go first.
Great, thanks a lot for that.
We had last one question from Alan, but Alan just listened to your answer to his question. It was pretty much similar question. So yeah, I will say hi and thank you very much, Alan. We see you, we saw your question, but now we have the last one from Patrick. So I would love to end this Q&A session with your question, Patrick.
Thanks so much. Seth, my question for you is, when you're starting to craft a story, which we all do constantly for GLC and everything else, where do you start? Are you looking for the funny punchline first? Are you trying to remember something that happened to you that was interesting? Are you looking for the moral and then you find something that applied? Where do you start?
So you're talking about anecdotes, not stories?
Yeah, exactly. Like, especially like if you're doing a speech or something and you were in a position that you needed something there.
Right. Okay. So first, let me explain why I'm differentiating. Stories don't usually have words in them. Stories are the emotional status, the emotional shift that we seek to bring to somebody. So the Batman TV show had a story that had nothing to do with Mr. Freeze and everything to do about responsibility and friendship, right? Anecdotes are awesome because anecdotes, particularly as a speaker, really open the door for you to, without using the words, get to the story.